gives you everything you need, including the nice carrying case. So they did give us a discount code. You can purchase this on Amazon. I believe it's something like $40 off, plus a percentage discount. In the video description, I'm going to be giving you the links if you want to purchase this on Amazon. That link is going to be good until May 31st of 2024. But there is a permanent link on their website to order this with our discount code. So I will keep both of those links in the comments. If you guys have any questions about this, feel free to ask me. We're going to be setting up a video review actually using this product and comparing it to our other Minelab detectors. Thanks again for watching.